This video is on installing a grill on a 94 and up OBS, Chevy OBS, into a 93 to 88. Now this is a wire mesh grill. You can get them off of eBay and Amazon. But what you need to do is the bumper filler, which is right there, right here, is different on the 93 to 88. It push pins to the bottom of the grill. This bumper filler for the 94s and up screw to the core support. So what you got to do is order a bumper filler, which is this little piece right here. Goes from here to here for a 94 and up. And don't forget to order your end caps, your bumper filler, body filler caps on the end, because they're different. You can see it goes from here to here. And then you'll need 4 3/8 square nuts, because there's square holes that you put push nuts in. Square push nuts, 3/8. And then also, you can get these both top and bottom side blinkers lit for the 94 and up grills, which I haven't seen anybody doing lit ones for the 93 to 88 or 88 to 93. Other thing I found about this grill is the aftermarket Chevy emblems fit flush in the grill. So that's pretty nice. And I like the mesh grill, so I got a mesh grill. A little more pricey than the standard grill. And if you get a chrome one, that guy thinks he put them in gold. So, thanks for watching.